Hey guys, again, not my normal starling content, but I'm so excited to have this family of Mississippi kites hanging out in our neighborhood, especially because we're clear up in Kansas, and I believe this is as far north as they ever really go. They won't be here long, they'll be headed back down south before it gets cold again. But I was so happy to get better pictures of them today, and stay tuned for some clips at the end of this video. You get to hear some of their sounds and see them messing with some of the branches on the tree, and I just enjoy them so much. They're gorgeous. Thanks, everybody.